is Em here. Welcome to the vlog. I bought a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I got the creator combo and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. The unboxing that no one asked for. I'm going to Sydney next week and then I'm going to Southeast Asia like in a couple weeks as well. So I'll be vlogging plenty. I know I've only edited one vlog, but don't worry guys. I'll be vlogging way more. So let's unbox. I'm actually so excited. I've been watching so many videos and every time we pass in the store I'm always testing it, but the stars just align right now. I'm traveling as well as tax money just came back. There's this pouch. I think everything is mainly in this pouch. Dun -dun. It's actually pretty small. So this is the stuff that comes with it. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket. It's tiny. I love it. It's so much more like subtle and less in your face if I'm just vlogging. And to turn it on, you just turn this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wait. I'm gonna peel it off. But look at this. This is so cute. You can be filming vertically or horizontally, so every time you do this it kind of just automatically goes to turn off mode, and then when you do this it turns it on. It's so cool. It comes with a mic. Oh my gosh, should I test this out? I think this is the extra battery that comes with it, so you just stack it on like so. Good for traveling. So it tells you when it's charging, and then you press this to, maybe you don't press this, you press this to unlock it and pull it out. This is the stand that comes with it. So I don't know why you can't attach it to the DJI itself. You have to attach it to the battery, then screw it in. So it's pretty long. And then this is the stand, so it can stand. It doesn't really give it much more height, but not complaining. And then it comes with, this is a windscreen, that's what it's called, a windscreen. And then the charger. This is another handle. I don't think it's a charger or anything. So I guess instead of having this, you can have a shorter one attached. So you don't have to have your stand on such a tall thing. So I guess it goes on like this. So this is the wide angle lens, I believe. I just attached it. How do I? It's magnetic. Wait, hold on. So cool. Love it. It's a protective cover. Oh, so it's like a case for it. So what I do is this is the case for it. So this is probably like not a very satisfying unboxing, but here it is. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in Sydney next week. Hello, I'm on the way to the airport to head to Sydney this weekend. I'm going to be visiting my two best friends as well as go to Teletech. Teletech is a techno event and BLK Dot, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but they're headlining, so I'm super excited for that. So it's going to be lots of eating and hanging out with my friends, and as well as I'm just super excited to be using the DJI or new DJI camera. Hopefully this turns out to be a good vlog. Have a good night everyone, see ya! It's a midnight snack.
No. That's good.
This is your cue to say usukushi.
You can edit this out. Now
waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be.
Well, in Surrey Hills, we're going to Passato. I'm gonna go see Alyssa and Kai and go have Italian food. So super excited for that.
let's old. Humble bread.
Crumble bread,
It's actually called humble bread.
kingfish crudo,
And then like,
and
yeah,
burrata.
so like, he goes fishing on that beach, and he just like camps it over there.
Hello, I have. We are now trying to do ASMR. Our first dish will be humble bread with burrata. This is the kingfish in Mandarin. There was no sound. So ASMR is cancelled. We are just gonna eat. What do you rate the humble bread with burrata? A little bit bland, if I'm being completely honest. The kingfish crudo was good though, it's refreshing. But according to Luke, it's spicy, but I think it's okay. We got the blue spanner crab pasta, the beef pasta, prawn, and duck. Bon appetit! The braised duck pappardelle. I got the blue spanner crab.
We have like a chest press, like a lie-down one that you can do like lie, flat, chest, incline, and shoulder. We have
It's good
like a
food.
leg.
We got the tiramisu.
Almost fucking strong for yourself.
And we got the
Good morning, we're now at seafood market. I love the seafood market. I think it's the best place in Sydney. I'm so excited, but it is quite pricey. So
How much is three? How much is one? 75.
and a hazelnut brioche. We got the pear and the hazelnut choc. Hazelnut choc brioche, pear Danish. Caramelized pear Danish. It's really good. I like the Danish part. Yeah, I'll try. I mean, you can do it later yourself. It's good. Try that one. The chocolate hazelnut brioche. It's like Ferrero Rocher on top. But I don't like the dough as much. Yeah, I wish it was a donut. I wish it was fluffier. Yeah. But I really like the topping. The topping is good, not too sweet. They were like, I'm now getting ready for Teletech, so come get ready with me. I'm gonna put on some contact lenses because I feel like I don't feel dolled up if I don't put on contact lenses. It's gonna be grey, but yeah. I'm super excited to go to Teletech, going with a small group of friends. Hopefully it's good. It's my first Teletech event, but second techno event, so hopefully I enjoy the music. The last techno event was really fun, but I do think hardstyle's better. Hi everyone, just finished getting ready. We're about to head out to go to Teletech. I'm going to catch the Uber there to Sydney Olympic Park. I'm wearing an IMG top and then Nike parachute pants, not sure if you guys can see. And then just a bag, sensitive jacket so it won't get cold. Anyway, see you guys there, bye!